Think working out and getting in shape means you have to spend hours in the gym each day? It doesn't. Discover how to melt fat, optimize performance, and get in the best shape of your life with short workouts that take just minutes. What's the first thing that comes to mind when you start thinking about working out? For most people, images of spending hours and hours each week in the gym come to mind. Long runs, painful and sore muscles, and not seeing results for several weeks and even months. The good news is, it does not have to be this difficult. You don't need to spend hours in the gym each week doing the same monotonous exercises over and over again. In fact, in some ways, doing that will actually impede your results. If you're serious about melting fat, gaining muscle, getting stronger, and looking better than you've ever looked before, the answer is HIIT. What the heck is HIIT? HIIT stands for High Intensity Interval Training, and it's just like what it sounds. With HIIT, you go really hard for a very short interval of time. I'm talking about workouts that last only just a few minutes. People all over the world have been using HIIT to transform their bodies and get in the best shape of their lives, fast. These are the most highly effective and efficient workouts on the planet. But maybe you're wondering, if HIIT is so great, why are people still working out the old way? Although HIIT is super effective, a lot of people just aren't in the loop on how to structure a proper workout plan with high-intensity interval workouts. Although the concept is pretty simple, with HIIT it's all about the details. When you know what you're doing, you can get some mind-blowing results extremely quickly with HIIT. But most people just don't know where to start. Sure, there's some freely available information online, but a lot of the information floating around about HIIT is either out of date, not quite accurate, or just flat out wrong. And if you do things the wrong way, you could find yourself wasting a lot of time and just not getting the results that you're looking for. Or worse, you could even put yourself at risk for injury if you do things the wrong way. That's why I've put together the ultimate step-by-step guide to melting fat, building muscle, and getting in the best shape of your life with HIIT. The guide is based on what actually works, and you get step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow to quickly get you in the best shape of your entire life without multiple hour-long grueling workouts. Are you ready to start crushing it with short, high-intensity workouts? My guide gives you everything you need to get started today. Inside you'll discover the old way of doing cardio training, why it's not all that effective, and how to do cardio the HIIT way for faster, better results. The science behind HIIT, why it's so powerful, and how to understand your own body to get the most out of it. The power of energy systems is revealed, and how we progress through energy systems. If you're starting from scratch and haven't worked out in a long time, you'll discover how to build a basic level of fitness. Should you use machines in your HIIT training? The answer is revealed inside. How to maximize your results with kettlebells. The power of the kettlebell swing, and how to do it the right way for amazing results. Advanced HIIT methods such as Tabata, cardio acceleration, fartlek, and Metcon. Create whole-body circuit routines and the exact steps to design the perfect circuit routine. And how to incorporate HIIT with an overall healthy lifestyle. Plus, a whole lot more. This guide will give you everything you need to use HIIT to melt fat and build muscle quickly. At this point, you may be wondering if this guide is for you. If you answer yes to any of these, you need this. You're looking to lose weight. You want to build muscle and get stronger. You want a workout plan that uses time as efficiently as possible. You've tried fitness programs in the past and you weren't happy with the results you received. Or you're simply looking for a proven step-by-step guide to HIIT. When you make the wise decision to grab my guide today, you'll get everything you need to get started with HIIT right away. And you can begin seeing results in as little as a few days. But really, the best part about this is the extremely low pricing for this guide. Although what you'll learn inside is the next best thing to spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars on a private fitness or strength building expert, you won't pay anywhere near that today. For a very limited time, you can get access to this for less than you'd spend on a pair of running shoes. Much less. To get started and lock in your special pricing, click the Add to Cart button below. And it's about to get even better. When you take action today, you'll get access to some extremely valuable fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1 is a cheat sheet that breaks down the guide into some very easy to follow step-by-step methods for burning fat and building muscle quickly. This cheat sheet makes it easy to stay focused and committed to getting the best results possible with HIIT. Fast action bonus number 2 is a mind map that gives you an overview of everything inside the guide. It's great for those people that need to see it all laid out in a visual format. Fast action bonus number 3 is a resource guide that conveniently lists all of the important tools and resources you need to get the best results possible with HIIT. And fast action bonus number 4 is a beautiful infographic that illustrates exactly how to do the most effective HIIT workouts and exercises. And to make this a total no-brainer, you don't even have to decide anything today. You get a full 30 days to test drive this guide on my dime to make sure this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply let me know and I'll promptly refund your tiny investment. No questions asked. Don't delay. If you come back tomorrow, the price may be higher and this offer may not even be available. If you're ready to melt fat, build strength and muscle, and get in the best shape of your life, this HIIT guide is for you. Click the button below to get instant access and get started today.